Hi guys, today is my fourth day of 90 days challenge of spoken English, and in my previous video, I told you about what are the things I do for improving my skills. But today I will tell you what are the hurdles I faced. So and how I took these hurdles on me, and how I continue with them. So as I told you, I first I focused on written part and watching videos, okay, and started speaking. When I started speaking, as I told you, I had a fear, like maybe if I start, people laughed at me, and maybe whenever I start speaking, if what if I stuck in between, maybe they start laughing at me. But I continue because I took a resolution. Then in the starting, I started talking with my brother at home. And even if I talk about speaking, I speaking with my brother. And and uh, i i started a mirror practice. I started speaking in front of mirror, and it is whenever I do, I'm doing. Whenever I do speaking practice in front of mirror, it is like I give a speech in front of many lots of people. But whenever I give that speech, so I feel very very good and calm. Like it is like that, you can see mirror, you can see yourself, like you can see your movements, your body movements while speaking. And it will be, I think, whenever you see, like I feel whenever I speak in front of mirror, and I can see my body movements while speaking, then it give me motivation, it give me a charm while speaking. So I feel very excited. So this is the thing. Then I started mirror practice, and started talking in my home with my brother, and of course with my friends also. Then I started, I focused on these things regularly. And uh, what I searched many applications, like many applications, there's a many applications on which you can practice with strangers. But like Josh Talks, and also these are the many applications. And I downloaded these applications. But can you believe, but when I started, uh, I was doing all these things regularly, written part, speaking part, and that mirror practice. But when I started talking with strangers on that application, I had a fear. I had a fear of talking with strangers on this application. I was like, maybe these people are very fluent in English, and I was nothing in front of them. Then then I downloaded application, and suddenly I delete all the applications. But I continue with my listening, and then written part, and then mirror practice. Then after some time, as I told you, I again tried to making videos on YouTube. I again I had a fear, like how can I face camera, and how can I speak. So these are the things came in my mind. But as I took a resolution, I started these written, and that speaking part, mirror practice, all the things like I do in a regular way, because of course I really want to learn English. And then 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 I like then I continue with all these things. And I will tell you, tomorrow, like how can I get a confidence to talk with strangers, because it is a very a very best thing for me, very unique thing for me that I did. Because it is very like I couldn't do. I can't even think, like seriously I could that thing, but I did. And I will tell you in my next video, like what are the things I did for this confidence that I came here in front of camera. I'm making videos, so I will tell you tomorrow. Because it is like, of course it is a very different thing for me. And uh, but as I took this resolution, like I have to practice and speak daily, but I have to, more, like I have to, I have to take more and more contents to speak, as I am very talkative. But of course, but I will tell you tomorrow, like what are the things I did for coming here, for getting that confidence that I have now. And even I don't, while speaking I don't care, am I do right, am I do mistakes in grammar, or am I speak right, it's okay. But now I am very okay with all my flaws. Because if you are okay with your flaws, then everyone okay with your flaws, and everyone started, praising you. So please, if you really feel happy with me and my practice, and if you think you can also do while I can do, then please stay tuned with me, and thank you.